Cloud computing naman tayo. Sa madaling salita, hindi na kailangan ng mga company na bumili at mag-manage ng sarili nilang mga computer o IT system. Dahil sa cloud computing, pwede na nilang gamitin ang mga ito bilang serbisyo mula sa internet gaya ng storage software at iba pa kahit saan at kahit kailan nila kailangan. So halimbawa, 'di ba, si Google Drive, si Netflix, lalong-lalo na si Facebook at saka si Gmail. Comparing architecture options. So most systems are built to use the existing infrastructure in the organization. So often the current infra restricts the choice of each of the architecture discussed has its strengths and weaknesses. So client-server architecture are strongly favored on the basis of the cost of infrastructure. Creating architecture design. Creating architecture design specifies the overall architecture and the placement of software and hardware that will be used. It is a very complex process that often left to experienced architecture designers and consultants, but we will give a sense of the process here. Operational requirements. Specify the operating environments in which the system must perform and how those may change over time. So, meron tayong technical environment requirements. So, dito, anong klaseng hardware at software ang kailangan ng system para gumana, like Windows, Linux, at saka Oracle. So, meron din tayong system integration requirements, meron tayong portability requirements, and then meron tayong maintainability requirements. So, dito sa maintainability, tukoy kung anong mga pagbabago ang expected na kakailanganin gawin sa system habang ginagamit ito. Tayong example dito. So, kung makikita, no, yan yung example niya.